Imagine a drone that can navigate through total darkness, break through windows, and autonomously map the insides of buildings. This isn't a futuristic fantasy. It's the Lemur 2 developed by Brink Drones. This tactical drone is designed for one critical mission, to enter places too dangerous for humans. Picture this: a collapsed building after an earthquake or an active shooter situation. In these moments of chaos, the Lemur 2 doesn't hesitate. It goes in, alone. What makes it so remarkable? Let's break it down. First, it boasts night vision and LiDAR technology, allowing it to fly in complete darkness while mapping the interior of a structure. It can create a detailed 3D map of unknown environments in real time, even without GPS. This means it can navigate tight hallways, hover in place, and transmit vital information back to first responders instantly. But that's not all. The Lemur 2 is equipped with a glass breaker, enabling it to shatter windows to enter or escape as needed. This feature is crucial in emergencies where every second counts. Imagine being able to send in a drone to assess a hostage situation without risking lives. The Lemur 2 can see inside, providing real-time visuals to operators. Communication is key in crisis situations, and the Lemur 2 has two-way audio capabilities. Operators can hear and talk to people trapped inside, offering reassurance and gathering critical information. With an extended flight time of over 30 minutes, this drone is built for tactical operations. It's like having a scout robot that clears the way for rescue teams before they step into danger. Already, SWAT teams, fire departments, and disaster response units are utilizing the Lemur 2, whether it's assessing gas leaks, navigating through fires, or identifying unknown hazards. This drone is a game changer for safety and speed. The Lemur 2 isn't just another drone. It's a fearless, autonomous teammate. As drones continue to evolve, getting smarter, smaller, and braver, this is just the beginning of what's possible in emergency response. The future of rescue operations is here, and it's flying in the dark.